G'day folks, welcome back. Today, going to do something a little different compared to the usual pendulum swings. We've got a Blackburn pendulum set up, so think of it as like a Y shape, and it does really strange things to the pendulum swing. So I've got this loaded up with paint. Going to leave the canvas static today. We're just going to see what sort of pattern this makes. Also put some tension on the cord so it will be spinning. I don't know how that's going to affect everything, but let's find out. So, got it wind up here. Let's toss it this way, so let's make sure we don't have one of those malfunctions like we did the other day. All right, this is good, and here we go. So let's see what happens when this pendulum swings. Oh, got paint all over me. Oh, this is cool. Wow. This is crazy cool, look at that. Holy cow. I'm just going to let this swing for a while and see what happens. Oh, that's wild. I love it. All right, I'm going to grab it and then we're just going to give it a bit of a swing. Look at that. This is really cool. Oh, why haven't I done this sooner? All right, I'm going to grab a lid. Catch this. What are we going to use? I don't know what to use. Right, that is so cool. All right. Let's get you guys down and we'll have a look at what just happened. So, first of all, let's get this back down again. I'll show you the pendulum swing. So, as you can see, the pendulum has a cord going across there and a cord going across there instead of just straight up. And that drastically affects the swing, as you can see. And it did all sorts of weird and wonderful things. So there it is. Oh, well, let me get this out of the road. Become a problem. You sit there, buddy. Wow. So there it is. And it definitely didn't do a circular pattern. That's for sure. That's really cool. I'm so happy with this result. Did all sorts of weird and wonderful things because I put the spin on the pot. Look at that. So I just used it was a acrylic paint, water-based paint, the purple, but the pink is actually a enamel paint that you use for painting your walls and stuff. So we'll see how it mixes and plays, but the pink and purple look really cool together. Let's zoom you guys in for a quick look. Look at that. Well, I'll definitely be doing more of these Blackburn Pendulum paintings. I hope you folks like them, because that was so much fun to watch. Like, I really just, that was just making me giggle watching that thing go crazy. And I love how they change, it just changes directions. When I first saw one, I thought, has he got a motor on that pendulum or something? But it turns out it's just, physics is a wonderful thing. And I wish I paid more attention in science class. But Blackburn pendulums, this is the result. Very freaking cool. And like I said, I hope you folks like them, because I'm definitely going to be doing more of these, because I just absolutely love the result. Anyway, I just want to say thank you all for stopping by. And if you see me streaming some games, I'm playing some Generation Zero at the moment, feel free to stop by and say hi. See you next time.